Want flawless makeup that lasts all day? Start with these 5 skincare steps. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura J and I'm here to brighten your day. So we're gonna start off with the 5 skincare steps that are most important for making your makeup look flawless this holiday season and last all day. First, we're starting off with the Haru Haru Wonder. This is the Milky Hydrating Toner Essence. I've been using this for probably 3 months now. I really have been enjoying using the Haru Haru Probiotics Barrier Essence. It is deep hydration and skin barrier support. There are plenty of milky toners on the market and it's probably really easy to get confused. There are plenty of great options out there like Fenty's Milky Hydrating Toner. I picked one up from the Dollar Tree. This is the Rose Milky Facial Hydrator, Moisture and Refresh. I'm going to show what this product it is looking like. So you're gonna see its consistency. Okay, I use this under my eyes. You wanna be careful not to get this in the eyes because it will burn. We're gonna let this sit in for just about a minute. Some things you can use to speed up the skincare process if you're in a hurry. You wanna use a fan. I got this at TJ Maxx. They have them probably at all different locations, but this is essential for helping just quickly dry down. Again, if you are in a hurry and trying to get ready for work, or you have a special event and you're running late, or pick yourself up a fan. I also just picked up a new Milky Hydrating Toner. The Haru Haru I got for $25 off of Amazon. I saw another influencer using this. Again, wonderful for the deep hydration and the skin barrier effect. I use this in my morning and night routine. I just picked up is the Anua Rice 70 Milky Toner, which I just picked up from Ulta, and I will be letting you guys know how that product works and if it seems like it's similar to the Haru Haru Wonder. I did get it on sale at Ulta for a discount for $15 for the Ulta sale that they had going on, but I think regular price looks like it is $21. Skincare routines do not have to be difficult. When we are starting off, you see all these products. Again, just start off these 5 simple products, and this will help just make your makeup look so much more fresh and long-lasting and glowy throughout the day. So you're not going to have any peeling. You want to just keep it to 5 skincare items so that your makeup is not going to be peeling or melting off your face. So now that we've let that Milky Toner sit in and absorb into our skin, we're going to go in with the Good Molecules Hyaluronic and Niacinamide serums. These also help to deeply hydrate the skin and smooth and even out any uneven skin tones. We want to let these serums sit and absorb for about 1 to 2 minutes, again, similarly like we did with the Milky Hydrating Toner. So. These are going to plump your skin back up. Any leftovers I just massage back into my hand or in my neck. I've been testing out the Beauty Extreme Eye Cream. I have severely hooded eyelids, and what I was noticing is they were getting very crepey. So this is essential for a nice moisturized eyelid that we're going to be using some items on our eyelids to prime them before we place on our eyeshadows. So this really just helps hydrate. Even if you don't want to wear makeup for the day, this is going to just help rehydrate. And especially in the winter months, our skin is going to get dry, and really want to ensure that we're hydrating our skin. Skincare is only going to help so much. One of the most important things when it comes to your skin looking young, fresh, even as we're aging, just be sure to drink a lot of water, especially in the winter months. We're like 90% water, so we want to make sure we're hydrating, drinking throughout the day. If you don't like water, the taste of water, I suggest getting any kind of mixer. They even do have the lemon packets that you can put in your water to help you drink some more water, or just cut up a fresh lemon, cucumbers. There's so many different diets. So you always wonder, how does some person look so young, even though they might be in the aging process, right? We're all getting older. And so diet and hydration are going to be our two main key factors, and then skincare. So just make sure, you know, as you are looking to improve the quality of your skin, that hydration and the things that we're eating and putting into our body. Fresh vegetables, eating fruits that are going to help give us those nutrient values that's going to really help our skin glow from the inside out. And then skincare would be our next thing that's going to really help our face and our body skin stay moisturized throughout the winter season. So those would be my best tips there. So going in with our In Beauty again. I've really been enjoying this applicator. It is cooling as I massage the product into my upper lid and around my eye area. Start by tapping the product into the skin with a tapping motion. I've been testing this product out for about a month, and from the minute I put this product onto my eyes, there was a visible difference in the appearance and texture and tone of my eyelids, both above and below, especially above the eye where I seem to have most of the crepey lid. And so I love this. It is a little bit expensive, so you can just use every other day. Use these with an eye mask, but this will definitely... This is packed with peptides, amino acid, and paracress extract to firm and hydrate and contour the delicate skin around our eyes. We're going to go ahead and let that settle in as well. Finally, we're going to lock this all in with a good moisturizer and sunscreen. If we're going out for the day and you're going to be in the sun, you want to make sure that you are applying sunscreen. One of my absolute favorite sunscreens is the Blue Lizard. This is 50 for sensitive skin, and it is with soothing organic aloe. And again, another step that's just going to really help protect the skin from the sun. Even if it looks like it's gray outside, you want to make sure that you're using a sunscreen to protect your skin. So I take about a dime size. Now this does leave a little bit of a white cast, but when we put on our makeup products, that should be all taken away. I make sure to rub it really well in my hands. And then we're going to work this product, massaging it into the skin in all areas that are exposed to the sun. Making sure to get the eyelids and top of the ears if you're going to be out in the sun for periods of time, lips, neck. Any excess product you can just wipe into your hands. And here is the final look. Our skin is refreshed and skin prepped, ready for our makeup application. The last but and bonus expert tip for pro makeup, make sure to use a setting spray. You can also prime your face with a setting spray, and that's just going to help give the makeup something again to adhere to. There are many setting sprays on the market, and remember, a setting spray is different than a finishing spray. So the setting sprays are going to be more hydrating and give a little bit of that hold. The finishing spray is going to be more of a tacky, that it's going to be like a hairspray almost. It's going to really cause a very big layer, and that's usually used for special events, SFX, special effects makeup, that they are going to be spraying. The One Size has a wonderful finishing spray, which I've used. But if you're just looking for something light and refreshing, my favorites are the Milani Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Setting Spray. If you're looking for a more blurring effect for your makeup, this is actually wonderful for the mattifying setting spray by Danessa Myricks. And this product is specifically meant to be sprayed on prior to and during your makeup application so that the products melt into your skin and will stay and last longer. So let's finish this up. We're gonna be applying this in an X and then a T coming across the face. Get it going the right way. And there you have it, 5 simple steps that will keep your makeup flawless throughout the day. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you or the products that you absolutely love that you've been using. Maybe I might pick up a recommendation from you. Hope you guys enjoyed this and have a wonderful day. If you like this video, make sure to click the subscribe button, thumbs it up, and share with folks that may be interested in beauty content tips and tricks. Remember, stay bold, stay beautiful, and stay bright.